Let me tell you. Those who want to be purified, they abstain even though it's not a problem. Instead of you getting medication, you can prevent yourself. We laugh at people in different churches because of the way they dress, because of the way they speak. I never comment about that. The problem is salvation. But abstinence is good. Restraining. You'll be like the other Galatian that is near to you. In Galatians chapter, the carnal man has no fruits. The works of the flesh. You already have something close to you. You already have something closer to you. You know the three men that met when they had three carnalities among them. Say, let's say the truth. I will go first. You don't know, but money in church. After offering, I pick and take some. I say, God forgive you. He said, you don't know me. When I meet a skirt somewhere, I
n'ijipo ndayitwara. Urumva icyo yavugaga? Iyo mbonye ijipo mba naguye. Iki cyongereza ntacyazi mu mwihorere. Uwa gatatu rero.
The third,
ati nanjye ntege nkingira.
That I have this weakness.
Iyo numvise amagambo ndayavuga.
When I hear gossip, I speak.
Nibi muvuze ndabivuga.
I will also speak.
Buri wese agira abagarati bamuba hafi bo kanyago.
Everyone has a works of
byiza wakwirinda rero. Kandi na Yesu arabitubwira byiza nuko twirinda.
And Jesus says it's better to